Hey guys, my name is Jackie and today I'm going to show you how to get a cute accessorized ponytail. Quick and simple, but first we have to start with clean hair. Today I am using the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Purify Me Co-Wash Cleanser. This cleanser is Curly Girl method friendly and it's sulfate free, paraben free, also enriched with flaxseed, avocado, coconut, and apple cider vinegar. I'm first going to start by rinsing and wetting all of my hair so we can get ready to cleanse. The formula for this cleanser is rich and creamy, and it helps replenish moisture, soften, and thoroughly removes buildup and impurities. Now that I have thoroughly wet my hair, I'm going to work the co-wash cleanser in a moderate amount, gently massaging into my hair and scalp. If your hair is more prone to tangles, start at the root and then shampoo by gently raking your fingers through your hair all the way to the ends, carefully working through the tangle. You then rinse thoroughly and then repeat to ensure that your hair and scalp are clean and any impurities have been rinsed away. Flaxseed along with carrier oils including avocado and coconut is used to help improve the overall hair health, while apple cider vinegar in this mix is used for thorough cleansing and growth enhancement. Once you are done with the co-wash and rinsing it completely out of your hair, you can follow up with a deep conditioner or conditioner as desired. You can style your hair as normal. I'm here to show you how to achieve a loose ponytail with accessories using a hair tie and a headband of your choice. First, we're going to go ahead and pull back all of our hair. So this is a loose ponytail, so don't tug too hard. You're just going to grab a couple pieces and focus that on the middle back of your hair. I'm just going to leave a couple curls out for decoration. I'm only tying my hair tie around my hair once, but if you feel you need more hold, feel free to do it twice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my headband and put it right over my head, and just go ahead and pull it over and make sure it is right behind the ears. Fixing up your curls, and there you go. You have a loose, cute ponytail. Simple, elegant, and ready to go out. This wouldn't have been possible without clean hair first. Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Purify Me Wash is a frizz-fighting, moisturizing co-wash cleanser. It specifically has flaxseed in it, which is an excellent source of omega fatty acids. This is an excellent therapy for all hair types and textures, and it's gentle enough to use daily and when protective styling. I hope you enjoyed this short video and this style. Let me know if you will be recreating this on your own in the comments down below. You can also visit AuntJackiesCurlsandCoils.com to learn more. Until next time, curl friends. Bye.